जय हो जय हो
माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे 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 वंदे।
Namaskar, I am Jagdish Sevani, President of the American India Public Affairs Committee, one of the organizers of this event. Well, when the world is battling against coronavirus since last 6 months, the naked aggression of China against its neighbors and India is totally unacceptable. Look, China wants to dominate the world. China wants to destroy USA. China wants to destroy India. But this time, their aggression, they have to pay a very, very heavy price. Now look what has China done within their own country. They are suppressing Hong Kong. They have actually done ethnic cleaning of Tibetans. And now look at what they have done to Muslims. The human right, the worst human rights ever happened in the China. More than 1.5 million youth have been forcibly sterilized. That has never happened in the world. We really regret it. So we have to do three things. Isolate China diplomatically, isolate China financially. So how can we do? First of all, the world has to support Hong Kong. Second, world has to recognize Taiwan. And the third, diplomatically, we all have to come together. We all have to come together to isolate the China. Now look at the China's trade surplus with Bharat, that is India. It is almost $60 billion. With USA, its trade surplus is $350 billion. Total together, they have a trade surplus of more than $500 billion. Now we are supporting in indirect way the Chinese employment, and we are feeding them. And look what they are doing. They are returning us with the bullets. Not acceptable. China, you have to realize that we are peaceful people. We are peace-loving people. But don't take our peacefulness for weakness. India of 2020 is not India of 1962. Today, we have a strong leader. Today, we have a strong leader like Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister of India. Today's India's economy is strong. India's military is strong. Today, India is the third most powerful economy in the world. Now, simply if all world come together, the whole world come together and start boycotting Chinese product, believe me, like a pack of cards, their economy will crumble. I know it is not easy. It may take some time, but we have to do it. We have to get rid of this rogue regime. The Communist Party of China's rogue regime, we have to get rid of it. For that, we have three leaders in the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Trump of USA, and Japanese Prime Minister, the top three economies of the world. So they have to come together and isolate China economically and diplomatically. My friends, we have to do it. We have to get rid of this monster right now. The time has come. They did it in 2014, they did it in 2017, and they again did it in 2020. But now we will not take it anymore. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. China has to give a very heavy price for this naked aggression. And I'm sure now they must be regretting. President Xi must be regretting what he did on June 15th. And he'll remember for the rest of his life, this is the final straw. The world, the peaceful world, will give it a befitting reply.
Hello everyone, I'm Ridhim Anand Bhardwaj. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.